just woke up in the morning to know कि आज हमारे काम वाली बाई नहीं आने वाली है. Maid is not coming today. So आज हम पूरा दिन बाहर खाने वाले हैं. Everything outside. So we will share with you what we will eat and where we are eating.
So I'm getting ready for office now, and in the morning I came to know कि आज आंटी नहीं आने वाली है. Basically, she got very high cold and fever kind of a thing today because the cold is very much recently. तो उनको बुखार लग गया. Then I was thinking that we are in such a hurry now. It's 9:30. We have to reach office. Shamu came up with the idea कि चलो let's eat outside. And he already has thought what to eat for breakfast. I will show you. He has already thought of those things, and I'm quite skeptic about it because eating outside for a full day is really a, I don't know, health hazard, you can say. We just came from Shillong and we were having outside food itself there as well. So let's see how it goes. Now I'm getting ready for office. I have made my bed and all these things, and Shamu is getting ready and we'll head it out. So here I am ready for the day, wearing a jacket. This is called a cotton kind of a jacket which has some fleece material inside. This is from Rajasthan. Somebody gifted to me, and the weather is lovely. What we call in Bengali, it's called Mishti Rod. Mishti Roder Shitkal. That is exactly what it is today. That is the Mishti Rod, and now I'll have some hot water and we'll start the day. The kitchen is kind of a mess today. Not kind of a, it's a mess today. Okay, anyways, I'll have some hot water. Both the water is for me. Generally, I fiddle my phone during the time I drink the water, but now since I'm recording it, I have nothing to do.
तो हम पहुंच गए हैं in the morning on the way to office. We have reached here at Heritage Park, and there is a very small food plaza here for local foods. So here we are going to have kachori, dal kachori and ghugni.
It is piping hot, yeah. So I have finished my food. Someone is taking another kachori because who will not? And I had 3, he had 4, and one plate consists of 3 kachoris. And now we'll finish it off and then head to office.
So it was a surprise lunch that we had here in the meeting. It was not scheduled, but it was a good lunch that they have served.
So it's 8 o'clock right now. I just came out of office and I am starving because I just had 2 coffee in between.
Unfortunately, we were supposed to eat out together, but in the lunch I couldn't make it, and I had to go somewhere else for the
So
meeting.
we both are very hungry right now. Now we are in a restaurant here in Agartala called Momo Magic
Momo Magic
Cafe.
Cafe.
I had given him in WhatsApp 2 locations. One is Momo Magic Cafe where we will have some momos, and after that I want to go to have some grilled chicken or shawarma.
At Hungry Port.
At Hungry Port, that is also in Agartala. So these are the 2 places I want to go and have lot of food.
So let's go into the first location.
And our food has arrived here. It's not thukpa, this is soup. This is tom yum soup, this is not thukpa.
They don't know. Can't.
We will ask them कि हमें थुप्पा ऑर्डर दिलाम तुम तो टॉम यम सूप दिए जो. How is it? It's not at all thukpa, right?
It's not tuppa. We ordered for tuppa.
They even don't know what thukpa is.
Yeah, it's a thick gravy in which they have poured some noodles.
Really, what tom yum soup you get in Kolkata or Delhi, this is what that is. And this is very spicy, and this is not even soup, this is some gravy. I don't know.
Anything. It's winter, so we are having it. Can't help.
We'll give you the review later.
This one is good. The white sauce is creamy.
This one right here.
The is good. The white sauce is very creamy outside. Perfect blend.
I'll try it. It is good.
And the hint of tandoor is also perfect.
Done with our momo part. It was not good at all basically. People in Agartala really don't know what you eat. You must know what you are eating. These food joints are fooling you guys. You just make sure that they are not like playing with your money. We are paying like some $100 for a thukpa, and that too it tastes disastrous. I could not eat even half of it.
This is a highly rated momo and thukpa place in
And it is highly rated. I don't know how. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो यार, अपने पैसे को भी सोचो. ऐसे लोगों को पैसे मत दो जिनको थुक्पा भी बनाना नहीं आता है.
घर पे बना के खाओ, घर पे.
हाँ, इससे नॉर सूप खाना बेटर है. टॉम यम सूप होता है ना नॉर का, वो खा लो, ये मत खाओ. Literally don't come here. Even the momo was not that good. It was fine compared to, like if you're comparing to the soup they have served, it was like okayish, but that malai gravy made the difference, but nothing else. Please don't come. Now we are going to another place, which one of my friends, you have seen them in the Durga Puja times, they had suggested. We already had food from there, so I am going there to just have my soulful appetite. तो अभी वही जाके मैं I'll have my chicken and I'll sort after my dinner. Guys, now we are having some real food, and I'll take the bigger.
This looks sumptuous, and nothing can go wrong with this.
We had it like 4 times before.
And we like it.
I'll just have it.
Don't take chances when you are hungry.
Here I am, happy and content after my second dinner, and this time we had this tandoori chicken that you can see here live. They are making it. Also, this is what a good food joint should be like. It's a very small, cozy kind of interior, kind of a space where even it was warm. Now we have come out in the cold, and I was feeling so warm inside. That's all basically. The chicken was tender, totally cooked from inside. Basically, it was perfect. If you want some party food, this is it. You can get the Clubhouse grilled chicken. The grilled chicken was what we had ordered. Yeah, I gave it like something around 8 to 9 out of 10. I gave it 9 out of 10 basically.